And welcome to this question 2010 question C1. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've done most of the orthographic here just to keep time short, and it should be fairly straightforward to do. So I've just started dividing up my 60-30 circle like they did in the question there. And if you flip your set square this way, if we come down there 60 degrees, we will hit this vertical line coming up, and that will find us the height there at that point. And we can just bring it across then to our elevation and put it in heavy. So that's our orthographic finish there. So what we're going to go on now, we've been asked to do with one piece surface development of this. So we'll take all our heights out across here. And we'll start off, we'll do the back of this object first of all, okay? So you can start anywhere out here, leave yourself enough space because you will have to do two of these, one on the left and one on the right hand side. So I'll start off there now and we'll get the back here going here first. We know that's 55 millimeters wide. I'm just going to mark in 15 from each side. We'll need that later on for the opening, okay? And I'm going to put a dashed line in here as well then. Or a fold line. And now we'll just put in that circle on top. 15. Now we'll do the base, the next for the front of that. And you could measure it off, or you could just swing it around here like so. Now we also have this upright piece to get as well, okay? And we have the height of that over there. No, I should have just put that, left that in the dash line actually. And last line I want to get now is I want to get this straight piece from here to here. So we'll just add on that again. So we've got everything almost now at the moment. We've got the base here. This is the back. This is the small upright here in the front. This is the flat piece coming up here, okay? I'll just call it the flat front. And the last piece we need now is we need to take into account of this, and then finally that hole that is there on the front, okay? So we'll just run our lines up here. Hopefully I won't run out of space now. Now we know if we step off our 60-30 method, I can just do it quickly, that on a semicircle we would have 6 equal divisions using our, if we divide up that with our 60-30. Now one of these has already been gone because the flat face is starting there and ending down here. So we've 5 left. So set your compass to this here, and we are going to mark off this 5 times coming up along this line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5 there. Now from looking at our plan view, we know that this guy, this here, it starts up here at the top, okay, the opening on the money box, and it comes around that curve there and it finishes there because it was 10 millimeters from this line, okay. So we need to take into account for that as well. And now the widths, that's what I did earlier on at the start. I marked off both of the widths there. So the 2 widths will be on these 2 lines here. So so it starts here at A and it goes up as far as B there. Now, so looking at this, it divides into 6 equal parts, okay? And we can see it's the same thing now. I'm just drawing it on the right and on the left. It starts at B, as we said, and it ends there at A, the money opening, okay? But when we roll this out here, okay, this is the first section from here to here. This is the second section from there to there. The third from there to there. And so it's starting here, okay? So there's B and B. And what we'll do there now is just to approximate it, because it's so small, we'll just pick it up with our compass there. I'll mark it off there. And that will get me A there. And that will get me A there. And that is it, folks. That's your 1 part development, okay? So we had the 2 sides with the base, the upright and the flat front. And then because the flat front took in what would have been 1/6 of a semisphere, with 5 parts left in on the hemicircle, should I say, sorry. So we spaced them out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we just needed the opening. We knew the width. We know it starts after 1, 2, 3 sections. So 1, 2, 3, we start up here, and then that was the width there. We just step it off, and then we can draw in our opening. So I hope you found that video useful, folks. More videos to come. Take care and stay safe.